Sembur Menteri Rangbak Kejela ubah kemi ia ketenan Urban Affairs ubah senyap halang dhar haka arpunyo terik kelalingkor ula Pynthikna baka sorkar kan kuntup ia baroh ki badan bentalang haka bayade ke jingmynjur halor ke jingmynjur ban pynkynriah ia ki nongshong dukan madan. Kini ke jingpenpau ke jong kalawan long ru hadian baka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association kala berten ban penlong da ke iaki lada ka Provisional Town Vending Committee ka pulom ban khot penlong ya ke lang ka bekerki. Ka senjuk jong ki nongshong dukan madan kala dawaru ban weng no mardor ya ke jingpen menapaj ba bat ban penkut no ya baru ki kam ki balale da ka Provisional Town Vending Committee ya ke ba kila keno ba ka dei ke kenhuan ka babian halor ke jing sedang ya ki sinjam halor ki jingkam bat ke jing persya bat ke jing tau ya ke thup kerteng jong ki nongdie madan ki dei ban yo sernot ban shong di jingdi. Kat kum ke jingpen pau ke jongki kene ke thup kerteng jongki nongdie madan ki bedei hok banjir ya ki nong mi khmat jongki sya ka TVC namar la krenshai hakashiti ka bakhat lai terik no pra arjar ar ban thau ya ka TVC kum ka kenhun ka ban penlong ya ka jing le sorbe bat ban khmi halor ki jingkam bat jing persya jongki wei haba jubab ya ke jingkeli halor kene ke bynta ubah snya bhalang ulaong ngin le ya ki aka baroh kat kum ki kendon jong kaan ngin persyang ban kentup lang ya baroh ki badan bynta ha ka jingmynjur hooi lada ki don kat to kat ne ki jeruit jerwat ngin saya penbej rengkat lang kila bandon ki mat ha ki kat to kat ne ki jaka bat na ke bynta ka neru ngilong ki bakeloi ban ya penbej hang ne hang tai ula benram. Ula ongru ke jingkhang jong ke sorkar barabor ka pli na ke bynta ban syong jingalang bat ki bayadan bentalang ha kini kekam. Henry ke jing temu jong ke sorkar hi ka long baka kwa ban pynkynriah ya ki kato ka ni ke jaka bakongsan na ke bynta ka baha kamiat jong ke sor bat na ke bynta ka bit ka biang jong ki paj ba nong let nong wan. Hooi lada ka don ka nu ke jingale persya na ke liang ke jongki ngin sa penlong ya ke jinga selok bat ki nong di madan. Ngi long ki bakloi ban pediang so bahaya ki bakin ya kenduk yangi kam don jing halor kata ula benram.
This hawker, everything we will do it accordingly as per law only. There is no issue only. Simple as that. We will try to take everybody on board, but yes, if there is some complication, we will solve it together. That is not an issue. Government is doing everything as per law. Point number one. Yes, even though we are not only based as per law, we always try to take them into confidence. That is point number one. And number two, yes, it may be issue they made in like some few places, and even further. So we are ready to try to see adjust here and there. Meeting the stakeholder is always the door is open. Okay, and the mind of government is simply yes, we want to relocate at least few important places for the betterment of the city and for the convenience of the public. Yes, if there is any resist from their side, we will try to dialogue them properly. We will dialogue, no problem on that. We will dialogue properly with the hawker, no issue. They are most welcome if they come and meet us. There is no issue on that.